In this video, we're going to take a look at one product from our new VLT Vault Gauge product series, the new VLT 165/167. This is a direct mount temperature gauge specifically designed for the most corrosive underground vaults. The new VLT-165/167 is based on the tried and true Qualitrol 165/167 series thermometers, but instead is made out of a super strong glass reinforced thermoplastic instead of the usual cast aluminum. Some underground vaults contain numerous unknown corrosive chemicals that wreak havoc on the alloys typically used with transformer accessories. Corrosion of components can be kickstarted via corrosive groundwater or soil, frequent flooding of the vault, major industrial areas surrounding the vaults, and vaults that are located under sidewalks where heavy winter salting is common. But because the new VLT-165/167 is made of a glass reinforced plastic, it is completely immune to those corrosive chemicals. Because the VLT-165/167 is based on the traditional 165/167 series thermometer, it is available with all of the same features and customizability. They are submersible for those vaults that suffer from flooding and have been tested to salt spray over 1,440 hours with no degrading results. For more information on the Qualitrol Vault Thermometer or to request a quote, please contact one of our application engineers at info@qualitrolcorp.com.